Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we're giving you an update on the Suncoast Beach Club. Now this is a massive development taking place out in Bull Bay, St. Thomas. They are going to build over 300 luxury residential units. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. Jamaica's residential landscape is witnessing a transformative development with the emergence of Suncoast Beach Club, a large-scale resort-style community located in St. Thomas, along the island's southeastern coastline. Spearheaded by TCF Holdings Limited, this development represents a bold integration of luxury living, modern amenities, and coastal accessibility, bringing a new standard of residential and recreational lifestyle to the region. Suncoast Beach Club occupies approximately 90 acres of prime beachfront land at 12 miles Bull Bay, in an area that has remained relatively untapped compared to Jamaica's northern tourist corridor. By offering residents a blend of privacy, natural beauty, and accessibility, the development seeks to combine the tranquility of coastal living with convenience of city dwellers. Its location, just a short drive from Kingston, positions it as a practical option for professionals seeking a weekend retreat, retirees working for a secure environment, and diaspora investors seeking premium property options. The development is being constructed in phases, with a total of 396 residential units planned. These units include 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses, duplexes, villas, and luxury apartments, all designed with modern architecture and sustainable construction principles. Features such as hurricane-resistant roofs, insulated walls, and steel-reinforced block construction ensure resilience against Jamaica's tropical climate, while amenities like roof terraces, balconies, and open layouts enhance the living experience. Each unit is planned to provide comfort, privacy, and accessibility, creating a community that balances residential needs with resort-style luxury. Suncoast Beach Club is more than a residential enclave. It is a comprehensive lifestyle destination. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.